Hi, my name is Nancy, and I'm getting the Erbium done at NYFBR. I'm excited. Looking forward to getting rid of some lines. And I don't know, we'll see what happens.
So I'm just numbing you before the procedure. This way it's a lot more comfortable for you.
Mm-hmm.
And you are a good candidate for Erbium because you have a little bit of hyperpigmentation that we could work with.
My daughter told me about the spa, and it's comfortable, it's clean, it's a really beautiful place. They have everything. They take your temperature here, they make you fill out a form in regards to if you have any side effects and things like that. I feel very comfortable. Everybody wears the masks around you. It's a good, safe environment. Looking forward to it.
We're working with Nancy today. We're going to be using the Erbium laser, doing the Erbium resurfacing on her. There are a few advantages to the Erbium, which I really love. One, the most important one is the downtime. It's not something that you have a lot of downtime because you have control over the depth of how aggressive you want to be with the resurfacing. You can do something like what they call a celebrity peel, which you can come in at your lunchtime, you get the procedure done, and you can go back to work, and you continue working the next day and there's no downtime, or you can go a little bit deeper, and so you have the control over the wavelength and the depth of the penetration. Now the Erbium, one of the advantages over the other the CO2 lasers that are out there is that this is the optimal wavelength for resurfacing. At 2940, at this depth, you are optimally absorbing, the water is getting absorbed, and that causes the resurfacing to happen at the most optimal way without any thermal damage, because sometimes when you do the CO2 laser, you get the surrounding areas that get heated up from the laser and can cause damage to other areas, and there's more downtime, there's more peeling, and at the same time you can have some side effects, which is hyperpigmentation or scarring. So that's why Erbium is the optimal way to do skin resurfacing. For Nancy, we have a couple of areas of concern that we have. You see she's a little bit red here. That's because we numbed her up already and she has a little bit of reaction to that. But she has some hyperpigmentation on the sides. She has some fine lines that we want to get rid of. We want to just give her a fresh peel so that her face will look more even and will look more uniform, and also will look a little bit more glowy, so she'll get a glow out of this as well. The procedure takes about 15 to 30 minutes. It's not a long procedure. And the other part with the Erbium is it's not as painful as the ablative CO2 lasers that are out there. All right, so we're ready to get started.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Okay.
What it's meant to do is really resurface the skin, so it's good for people who are looking to take care of things like fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, scarring, large pores, stuff like that, things that are more, superficial. And then once your skin starts flaking, that's when you can switch over to just like a nice heavy cream.
So I just finished the procedure, and it is, as you can see, red. It's like red. It feels right now, it doesn't hurt. It just feels a little tingly everywhere. The numbing cream is still working. On the forehead you feel a little bit more intense, but it still doesn't hurt. It's just like a tingling feeling, a little irritated kind of like in the forehead, but the rest of the face I don't really feel anything at all. And we'll see what happens in the next couple of days. But I'm happy with it. It wasn't painful. It's good.